Rich sugar syrup. Oh, fuck this way. Rich sugar syrup. Sugar syrup. Syrup.
Pretty good.
Tastes very good.
Hello my friends. Welcome to my channel, Shooter Make Drinks. I'm Shooter McKirsch, and in my channel, Shooter Make Drinks, I make drinks. But not today. Today I need to make something special because I ran out of sugar syrup. Especially rich sugar syrup. Oh god, that was hard. Took a few takes. But yeah, we make it the easy way because I'm a little bit lazy, so I want to make it as easy as possible. So what you need for that is well, you need like a bottle where you can just contain it, which you can close, and the rich sugar syrup is gonna last forever. So what you have to do, you need a bottle that you can close and open. I bought this in IKEA. It's pronounced IKEA, or at least in German. Yeah, you need to close it and open it. This is a cool bottle. It looks nice. I have also in my previous videos, you saw like I have a bigger one. It's like a fancy French Coca-Cola, French cola, whatever. So IKEA is a smaller bottle. I think for rich sugar syrup, it's useful. So let's start. So how you do it easy. I have a measurement cup with some measurements on it, so it makes it even easier. But actually it works also if you have it without measurements, but it's just like less accurate. But you know, so what is rich sugar syrup? Wow, it's tough. Rich sugar syrup is usually sugar syrup with a 2-to-1 ratio. So you have 2/3 of sugar and 1/3 of water. Then there's like the normal 1-to-1 sugar syrup, which is 1 sugar, 1 water. So equal parts. If you do have measurements, you fill up the glass with how much you want to be filled in the end with just water, and then just fill it in your measure cup. Oh, look at that. Very easy. Once it's done, you check up how much it is. It is 550 milliliters. So you have to divide it by 3 because you want to have 2/3 of sugar, so you know how much sugar you need to have. So of course 550 divided by 3 is very easy. It's 183. I just did that in my head. I'm Asian. That's what we do. We're good at math. Alright, so then you're gonna throw it away because you need to heat water, of course, because you need to make the water hot. So I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna jump cut. How much is 2 times 183? So to make sugar syrup, what do you need? Sugar. And what else you need? A scissor. Why? Because you need to open it. Okay, so 2/3 of 550 is 366. I'll also make that easy. So you put in 366 milliliters. Very easy. Okay, once you measured it, it's a little bit too much. Never mind. You use a funnel, I guess, and then you just refill it. There you go. See? Maybe you need a funnel with a bigger hole then to make it faster. Okay. In other videos, sometimes it's a little bit more difficult. You use a pan, but I can just skip the pan part. Okay, now you have to fill it in, and now you put hot water in there. Very easy. Look at it. Make sure you don't burn yourself. It's not cool. Okay, once it's filled, you just close it. Watch out, the bottle's hot. Okay, so what you do normally in a pan with steering, you can just do it with the bottle, you know, just like, watch out, it's hot. You know, just mix it a little bit. And you do it for a while. It's gonna take a while, but you can do it. You're now already more fluid, you know, you just do it. It's very easy. See, it's super easy. You don't need a pan. You don't need to clean the pan afterwards, because I hate that. That's why I don't like cooking, you know? I like making drinks. It's easier. Washing dishes is terrible. Okay, and you do it until it completely dissolves. And when you dissolve it fully, what you do, because it's still hot, you want to have, of course, cold sugar syrup, so you just put it in the fridge. And that's how you make rich sugar syrup. Rich. Okay, if you like that video, like and subscribe. It's very easy for you, but it means a lot for me. Thank you. Bye.